How to delete a post on Instagram. So first of all, launch Instagram app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. From here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right. Now, from here, tap on any Instagram post you have uploaded. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on three dots at the top right. At the bottom, you'll see the option of delete. Tap on it. Now over here on this pop-up, you can see that you can restore this post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So if you wish to, you can also restore your deleted post from the restore category on your account. Then tap on delete on this pop-up. So with that, you will successfully be able to delete a post from Instagram. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.